इस खास वेन्यू पर द गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया, ये ऐतिहासिक लैंडमार्क जिसने हमारे शहर के को लगभग एक सदी से लगातार बदलते देखा है, आज Amazon प्राइम वीडियो की तरफ से मैं आप सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं कि इस खास अवसर पर आप हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। सपनों के शहर के इस द्वार ने चुनौतियां से भरे दौर भी देखे हैं। यह सिर्फ एक मॉन्यूमेंट नहीं, बल्कि मुंबई के सफर का एक अटूट हिस्सा है, जिसने इस शहर को बढ़ते देखा, चोट लगने पर डगमगाते देखा है और साहस से उठकर दोबारा दौड़ते भी देखा है। एक तरह से तो यह मुंबई की अपनी एक डायरी है। तो जाहिर है हमारे हीरोज को सलाम करने के लिए और Amazon ओरिजिनल मुंबई डायरीज 2611 के ट्रेलर को लॉन्च करने के लिए इससे बेहतर वेन्यू तो हो ही नहीं सकता। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आज की शाम उन शूरवीरों को नाम, आज की शाम उनके साहस को सलाम। But before we begin, please welcome on stage actor par excellence Mohit Raina, who will be seen in Amazon original Mumbai Diaries 2611.
जब दुनिया पर छाया मुसीबत का साया, सुलझाने उसे इंसानियत ही इंसान के काम आई। तब आगे आए सैकड़ों जाबाज गुमनाम, ना कदमों में डगमगाहट, ना माथे पर पसीना, उम्मीद के सहारे सीख लिया जीना। हाथ हर पीड़ित के लिए थाम, सर उठाकर चलेंगे, हम हंसते हुए जीत लेंगे। जितने भी हो सितम, कदम पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। नेकी, अच्छाई, इंसानियत, सहानुभूति, यही तो है अपने चारों धाम। मुंबई, आपके साहस को सलाम। थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मोहित। Thank you so much, Mohit. Thank you so much for those moving words and a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, आज हम सब यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं इंसानियत के जज्बे को सल्यूट करने, उन तमाम बेमिसाल हीरोज को सम्मानित करने जिन्होंने मुसीबत के अंधेरों में हमें उम्मीद की किरण दिखाई। बचपन से हम सुनते आए हैं कि not all heroes wear capes, पर सच यह है कि कुछ हाथों में स्टेथोस्कोप लेके, कुछ यूनिफॉर्म पहनकर और कुछ बस खामोशी से, दिलेरी से सेवा करते रहे, तब तक नहीं रुके जब तक उनकी ड्यूटी पूरी ना हो जाए। साहस को सलाम प्रेजेंटेड बाय Amazon ओरिजिनल मुंबई डायरीज 2611 एंड Amazon प्राइम वीडियो। मेरा नाम है सचिन कुंभार और आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत है। साहस को सलाम एक हम्बल ट्रिब्यूट है उन फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स और वॉरियर्स को सम्मानित करने के लिए जो हमारी रक्षा के लिए हमेशा जुटकर बुलंद खड़े रहे। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हमें बेहद खुशी है कि आज हमारे बीच बहुत ही जल्द डायनामिक यूथ आइकन ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, टूरिज्म एंड प्रोटोकॉल, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, श्री आदित्य ठाकरे जी मौजूद होने वाले हैं एंड सारे डिग्निटरीज का भी स्वागत है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड मेकिंग दिस इवनिंग। इवन आपकी तरफ से दो शब्द प्लीज।
This is such an important moment for us. Mumbai मेरी जान is more than just a sentence. It is an emotion, ये एक एहसास है। The spirit of Mumbai, the resilience of Mumbaikars, ये ऐसे expressions हैं जो इस शहर के लोगों के DNA में बस चुके हैं। This is a reality that we have lived through. Every time the city has been a witness to a tragedy that has jolted us from within. जाने गई पर उम्मीदें कभी नहीं गईं। चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मुंबई कभी रुकी नहीं। जब जब हम किसी क्राइसिस के शिकार हुए, हम गिरे सही बट ओनली टू बाउंस बैक। हालात कितने भी गंभीर हों, हम हारे नहीं और हमारे हौसलों को बुलंद रखने वाले सुपर हीरोज की ये टीम है जो हर बार हमारे लिए आगे बढ़कर लड़ते हैं। इन्होंने अपनी ड्यूटी को सबसे ऊपर रखा, इस शहर की स्पिरिट को कभी टूटने, कभी झुकने, कभी हारने नहीं दिया। उन निर्भय हीरोज के साहस को मेरा सलाम। और इसलिए आज हम यहां सब इकट्ठे हुए हैं उन हीरोज के एफर्ट्स, उनके सैक्रिफाइसेस को सम्मानित करने के लिए, उन्हें दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए। उनकी हिम्मत के बारे में हम जो भी कहें कम है। वो जो कर रहे हैं वो पूरी ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन है और उनके कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस को हमेशा श्रद्धा के साथ याद किया जाएगा। मुंबई डायरीज 2611 के साथ हम उनकी इसी स्पिरिट, इसी दिलेरी, इसी साहस को सल्यूट करना चाहते हैं। ये सीरीज काल्पनिक तौर से दिखाती है कि मुंबई में 26 नवंबर के अटैक्स में डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज, वार्ड बॉयज, सारे फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर्स का क्या योगदान रहा, कैसे उन्होंने अपनी खुद की सेफ्टी की परवाह किए बगैर सैकड़ों लोगों की जानें बचाई। हमें गर्व है कि हम इन अनसुनी कहानियों को आपके सामने ला सके और अपने तरीके से इन फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर्स को हमारा ट्रिब्यूट दे सके। मैं निखिल अडवाणी की भी सराहना करना चाहती हूं, जिनके विजन और पैशन से ये कहानी आज दुनिया के सामने आई है। साथ ही सीरीज के कास्ट और क्रू की भी तारीफ करना चाहूंगी, जिन्होंने पूरे जी जान से इन किरदारों में जान डाली है। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूं उन फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर्स की, जिन्होंने जान लड़ाते हुए मुंबई की स्पिरिट को बुलंद रखा है। तहे दिल से आप सभी के साहस को मेरा सलाम। थैंक यू।
अपर्णा जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि आप मंच पर हमारे साथ बने रहें, क्योंकि मैं अब लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा Amazon ओरिजिनल मुंबई डायरीज 2611 के क्रिएटर एंड डायरेक्टर निखिल अडवाणी जी को मंच पर। Side, please.
So I'm speechless, which is actually very good, because usually I'll say something very highly inappropriate, highly insensitive. We'll all get into trouble, especially me. On a serious note, I want to thank Amazon Prime Video Originals, Aparna Purohit, Vijay Subramaniam, Sayar Nair Chawla, for allowing me to tell this story, for allowing us to tell this story. I'm honored that Shri Aditya Thackeray ji, Minister of Tourism, Environment and Protocol, Principal Secretary, Tourism Valsa Nair Singh, Sanjay Pandey, Director General of Police, Hemant Nagrale, Commissioner of Police, and a very dear friend of mine, Joint Commissioner of Police, Law and Order, Vishwas Nagre Patil, have taken time. They've taken time out of their extremely busy schedule of doing incredible work and come here to help us pay tribute to the silent warriors that make this city what it is. When I started writing Mumbai Diaries 2611, I knew that I was trying to document that night which changed all our lives. I had the opportunity at that time to meet up with doctors, nurses, ward boys, hospital administrative staff, BMC workers, firefighters, and the incredible police force that kept us safe that night. We asked them many questions. We had a long hours of discussions. We asked them their stories. Then I asked them one question. I asked them just one single question. What did you do different that night to save us? And they looked at me incredulously and they said, nothing. We did nothing different. We just turned up and we worked like we had to do every day. We did our jobs. So I would like to take this opportunity to salute those. I mean, we didn't know the word frontline workers till 16 months ago or 14 months ago or 12 months. I'm forgetting. Frontline workers do not exist in our vocabulary. It was what we should take for granted. I'm so glad that we've had the opportunity through Amazon Prime Video Original to tell this story and say a big, big thank you. And we owe you guys, we owe you one. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. Thank you. And अब जो venue इतना खूबसूरत है, the backdrop is perfect, the august audience, so I'm sure all are eagerly waiting to witness the trailer launch of Amazon Originals Mumbai Diaries 2611. And for the same, may I request our volunteers to please set the stage for the same and bring on the screens.
Should we go aside?
Request you to, yes, thank you.
This has to come in.
Shall we?
I want to see my
Yeah, me too.
And may I request both of you to give a go ahead with your permission.
You have a
भी सलाम। और मुझे यकीन है मेरी तरह आप सभी की भी धड़कनें तेज हुई होंगी जब आपने ये ट्रेलर देखा होगा, और उसमें बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि उस रात न कोई सो पाया न कोई सोच पाया। For those of us who were in the city when the event happened, know how accurate these times these lines are from, Amazon Original Mumbai Diaries 2611. And now that we've got a glimpse of the story, let's call on stage the people who brought life to it on screen. Would like to once again request Aparna ma'am and Nikhil ma'am, sir, to please join us on stage, and also along with the whole cast. Please put your hands together. And the makers, Monisha Advani, Madhu Bhojwani of MA Entertainment, Konkana Singh Sharma, Mohit Raina, Shreya Dhanvantri, Satyajit Dubey, Natasha Bharadwaj, Mumbai Deshpande, and Prakash Balawadi. Thank you so much, and may I request all of you to step a little in the center, please, or the center stage. Thank you.
come center, right?
Thank you, and good to see all of you, and must say an impactful trailer. We're looking forward to it. And I have a couple of questions for the entire cast of the makers, starting with Konkana. Good to see you, looking very beautiful. Konkana, हमने हमेशा देखा है आप अलग तरीके के कैरेक्टर्स हमेशा करती हैं. What was that made you want to be a part of this series?
Good evening, everybody, and we're feeling, all of us, I think, so happy and so proud to be here today and to share this with you. We can hardly believe it, we're so emotional. I wanted to say that, it was really the script, because I had not come across a script like this that was so immediate, intense and honest and emotional, and with so much humanity, where we were, looking at the lives of, very ordinary people set against, very extraordinary circumstances. The script was, hats off to the writers, and of course hats off to Nikhil, and thank you, Amazon Prime Video. We were very excited. That's why I took it up. Yes, the script.
And all the best to you. We're looking forward to it. Thank you so much. And Mohit, may I request the mic to be handed to... Oh, I have a mic.
I already have one.
Mohit, while, we look forward to hearing more from you a little later, but was there anything that you took away from the making of the series?
Well, first of all, good evening, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. Yes, I did. Personally, I feel कहानियाँ आती रहती हैं, कहानियाँ बनती रहती हैं. किसी भी कहानी को कहने का जो इंटेंट होता है, that is very important. So I personally feel ये जो कहानी सब लोग कहना चाहते थे, Amazon की तरफ से अपर्णा मैम और सब पूरी टीम ने जो इस डिसीजन लिया इस कहानी को लोगों के सामने लाने का, and then Nikhil से taking it forward, I think the intent of telling this story in a very different way and everyone contributing towards it, so I think the intent was something that was really pure, which is very much visible in the trailer. So that is what I took away from the series.
Absolutely, and we can clearly see it. You've done justice to the character. So
Thank you.
Wishing you all the best, and thank you. अगले सवाल है सत्यजीत, Natasha और मृण्मय के लिए. Great to see all of you here. And how does it feel to be here this evening? And also, what kind of preparation did you guys do for this, your respective character?
First of all, I would like to thank the frontline workers, Mumbai Police, the doctors, and Aparna ma'am, team MA and Nikhil sir for giving us this wonderful, beautiful opportunity. I don't know, it's quite surreal right now, standing here and talking about it. We went through a lot of preparation, whatever we could to, put our heart and soul into it and make it come alive. And these are ordinary people who are not trying to be heroes, but they are thrown into a situation where you have to act in a certain way, जो heroic है काफी. और I just hope you like the show. I hope you like the trailer, and I wouldn't say, I don't know, I'm just like, it's quite surreal. I'll pass it on to Natasha.
Oh my God, thank you so much for being here. It's such a huge moment. My heart is still pounding. I'm extremely grateful to Amazon and to MA Entertainment, to Nikhil sir. Thank you so much for trusting me to play Dr. Diya Parekh. It's truly an honor. And there is just so much to take away from what I have tried to do in this show. My mother's a doctor. I know how tough it is to be out there not thinking about yourself, your situation, your family, and putting yourself out there for each and every breath. You don't know where they come from or what they do, but you only focus on your job, which is to save lives, and I think that's just incredible. So big salute to all the frontline workers. Thank you.
And a big salute and thank you to your mom too.
आय थिंक विथ निखिल्स परमिशन मी मराठीमध्ये बोलणार आहे. याचं कारण म्हणजे मी या सिरीजमध्ये सुद्धा एका मराठी मुलीचं काम केलेलं आहे, सुजाताचं मी काम केलेलं आहे. आणि स्पेशली मला सांगण्यात आलं की तू मराठीत बोल, कारण आपण ज्या ठिकाणी उभे आहोत त्या ठिकाणी मराठी भाषेत नाही बोललं तर मलाच वाईट वाटेल. मी मनापासून सगळ्या मेकर्सना धन्यवाद देऊ इच्छिते. आणि समोर सगळेजण बसलेले ज्यांच्यामुळे आज अशा ठिकाणी उभं राहून आम्ही अभिमानाने बोलू शकतोय किंवा ट्रेलर लॉन्च करू शकतोय, त्या सगळ्यांची गोष्ट, सामान्य माणसामध्ये असलेल्या असामान्य गुणांची गोष्ट आम्ही मुंबई डायरीज 2611 मधून मांडण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे आणि तुम्हाला नक्की आवडेल. थँक्यू सो मच. मी पुन्हा एकदा तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना जे धाडसाने उभे राहिले होते तिकडे त्या सगळ्यांना थँक्यू म्हणू इच्छिते. थँक्यू.
आम्ही फक्त ट्रेलर बघितलं आणि आम्हाला खूप आवडलं. तू आमचं मन जिंकलंस. थँक्यू सो मच. थँक्यू. Shreya, you play the role of a journalist. For a journalist, what do you think is the most relevant asset?
Okay, good evening everyone. First of all, Sachin, I don't think I can take the responsibility for all journalists right now.
What is your takeaway as such?
Yeah, okay, in a functioning democracy, I would say getting the news and getting the truth is paramount of paramount importance. And from the limited experience I have by playing journalists is, I guess, getting truth and getting true to the crowd and getting true to the public and staying true to your profession. Yeah? Is
Thank you.
that responsible enough?
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much. And Prakash ji, what was the toughest part while shooting this medical drama series?
Good evening, everybody. It's always very tricky to reckon with near history because the wounds are raw and we have prejudices, and it's very difficult to reflect on near history and come with a conclusion. We could have gone so wrong with getting the false register on this. So to get the Sthai Bhava correct, I think it is right what Nikhil said today, that the cops and the frontline workers of the day were doing what they do all the time, and they never get acknowledged actually. I mean, every time they make a mistake, it shows, but every time they're doing right, nobody comments. So I think that comment is right to catch this idea of Mumbai. I'm not from Mumbai, I'm from Bangalore, another city in great trouble which needs perhaps to learn a lot from this city. And I will say this, I was asked while we were shooting this, what is the great thing about the spirit of Mumbai? And to get that as a focus register for this was a very great idea. It is that what makes Mumbai separate from any other city in India is that in Mumbai, people work without supervision. Everybody is proud to do his or her job well. And that is what is unique about Mumbai, And I think that plays at the background of this series through and through. I don't know what to say. I'm really overwhelmed by watching that trailer because it brings everything back. Thank you for having me in such a fabulous show. Thank you for the great writing.
Prakash ji, thank you so much for your contribution, and that's the reason this evening, unke sahas ko salam. Nikhil sir, tell us about your thought process, the creative journey behind the series, and what made you pick as 2611 as the backdrop of the series.
The thing is that I'm 50 years old, and for 50 years I've been in this city. This is Mumbai city. I'm a Mumbaikar. I love this city, and one thing that I've heard constantly is the resilience of the city. Never give up. City that never sleeps. It has this, all these lovely ways of describing the city. But we just tend to forget the people that are responsible for making that what it is, right? When Aparna and I started talking about the show, we wanted to make something, a medical drama. And that's what we decided to do. And I said that, let's not make a medical drama about a private hospital. Let's talk about the guys who are in the trenches, who are at war every single day. Every single day they are at war, literally. And that's what we've tried to do. We've tried to actually tell the story of those unlikely heroes that nobody actually talks about, that we take for granted every single day. And that's what I'm most proud about this show.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And we also have Monisha Advani and Madhu Bhojwani from MA Entertainment to share your thoughts on this momentous occasion.
Firstly, I'd just like to say first to everybody over here, thank you so much for the honor that you're bestowing on us. I just want to give a round of applause to my team. They're my frontline workers and they go unrecognized. So will you guys just stand up, please? All of you. Kushal, Abhay, please, Kavish, Mahir, Anushka, please stand. Everyone. Sayukta, Roshni, come on. I think recognition is something that we should do for all my team. They're the backbone of what we have tried to accomplish. And this is really an homage to, like Nikhil put it, the city that we've been born in and the city that we belong to forever. And I will just end this, please guys, please. And I'll just end this with saying one thing, which is, there's this lovely song, and I hope I can just say the words, which is, "Ae dil hai mushkil, jeena yahan, zara hatke, zara bachke, ye hai Mumbai meri jaan."
Thank you everybody for this honor. Aparna, what can I say? Thank you to Amazon for giving us this platform and this event, this setting. It just couldn't have been better. Nikhil and Monisha both pointed out the frontline workers, and it's funny that our frontline workers, our city's frontline workers, they all function in the background and they make everybody else look good. What happened on 26/11 or what happens in our city when there's no crisis, it's not a glamorous job to function in the trenches or in the background. And they keep doing it, and everybody continues to exist because they do their jobs selflessly. And I think this is an ode to all those people, all those frontline workers who have suddenly got a spotlight, and deservedly so. So thank you. Thank you to everybody, because this cast has really made what Mumbai Diaries is, and I'm sure that you will agree when you watch the show. You guys make us really, really proud and make us look good. Thank you.
As you rightly said, ma'am, an ode to all the frontline workers and all those who have been instrumental here and there. Thank you so much. Aap sabhi ke sahas ko salam. Thank you. And Aparna ma'am, a question for you that, what inspired you to create Mumbai Diaries 2611?
Takes me back. Over 2 years ago when Nikhil narrated this idea, just the intent, the sincerity, the honesty with which he, talked about this idea, he really transported us to that terrifying, that unforgettable night. We've seen this story, we've seen these, we've read about it, but never through the lens of the frontline warriors, I would say. And I'm just so I feel so privileged and fortunate that Nikhil, you chose us, as a medium to tell the story. And what an incredibly collaborative journey this has been. I mean, it would not be any stretch if I say that you have been the best creators. Thank you so much, and thank you to this incredible cast, this team that put in their life, their blood, their sweat into creating this monumental show for us. Thank you so much.
And those thoughts, we've seen a glimpse of that on the screen right now. We're looking forward to the entire series and wishing all the best to everyone here. Thank you so much for creating this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. May I request all of you to please take your seats, and may I request Nikhil sir and Mohit to please stay back on stage. May I request everybody to please join us back for a photo op. They're requesting for a photo op. Prakash sir, Aparna ma'am. I'll hold it. Journalist के हाथ से मैं माइक छीन.
Aparna, come.
जोरदार तालियां तो हो सकती हैं इन सारे creators of Amazon Originals, Mumbai Diaries 2611, wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Nikhil sir and Mohit, may I request you please stay back on stage. And we'd like to give a special mention, and let's have a huge round of applause. We are joined here with the dynamic youth icon, Honorable Minister of Environment, Tourism and Protocol, Government of Maharashtra, Shri Aditya Thackeray ji. Thank you so much for joining us here this evening and taking your time out. Thank you. Well, इसी के साथ इस शाम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. There's a special panel discussion, and for the same, I'm going to request them to set the stage for the same. Thank you. तो आज इस मौके पर कुछ शानदार लफ्ज याद आ रहे हैं, और किसी ने थोड़ी देर पहले बोले, गुनगुनाए नहीं, और मैं उम्मीद कर रहा था कि वो गुनगुना लें. जो उन्होंने कहा कि ए दिल है मुश्किल है जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है मुंबई मेरी जान. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दोस वर्ड्स अलाइव हियर. थैंक यू. वेल, मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर है जहां पल भर में सब कुछ बदल जाता है, पर अगर कुछ नहीं बदलता है तो वो है यहां के लोग, मुंबई की जनता. और निखिल सर ने भी कहा मुंबई कर, उन्हें कहते हैं मुंबई कर. आज हम इसी पर बात करेंगे, दैट हाउ लाइफ चेंजेस in a heartbeat in this city. But even if it does, we are always surrounded by those who turn the impossible to possible. The frontline workers, the doctors, nurses, interns and ward boys, Mumbai police, NSG and every other warrior who keep the heart of this city beating always and always. So how does life change in a heartbeat in Mumbai city? To talk about this in detail, I'm going to request you to please take your seats. Thank you. And I also request our panelists to join us. Please welcome Dr. Mohan Joshi, presently working as Dean of Lokmanya Tilak Municipal General Hospital and Sion Hospital. He is a GI surgeon and an advanced therapeutic endoscopist and endosonographist. He has been recognized with many global and national accolades, including the prestigious Shishrut Award and International Award for Youngest Investigator in Japan.
Mumbai. Namaskar, sahib. In fire service for 30 years. You want this show to go on for how many hours? Yeah, there are moments, like, I always say, like, I never wanted to be I never thought of, like, मैं fireman बनूंगा. The first instant when there was one house collapse which happened, that was in Malad, when I was very young, just joined the services. And then when we rescue that guy, and then heartbeat. There was a house collapse at Khar, in Mumra, Lucky Compound. And we as a special team went over there to rescue a girl, very small girl, like maybe 4 or 5 years. And when we rescue after 7 to 8 hours, that girl came out and waved to everybody from the crowd when we were shifting it. So that kind of a moments which actually, put everything, whatever the sacrifice, whatever the pains, what we have in our professional life, and that's the moments which keep us going. So it's endless, but there are a lot of memories I can share, but these are the main moments where you really push yourself to do what you cannot do. And that is what happened in 26/11. That is what happened when the fire services, as far as we are concerned, fire services, we go into the very challenging situation. Recently, there was a house collapse at Fort. Aditya Sahab also came over there, and they were worried about the whole chhapra which was hanging, and then we rescued some people. So that time, after the operation, we come to know, if that goes down, and then all of us doesn't have a life. So I learned from one, we live for a day till evening, the sunset goes, and the next morning is always a fresh start. Thank you.
As they say, the sun always rises and there's always a new day. And आपका और आपकी जो टीम है, पूरी की पूरे डिपार्टमेंट है आपका, अपनी जान पल खेल कर हमें महफूज रखते हैं, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, उसके लिए आपको सलाम. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Dr. Joshi, we all know that how tough your job is, and can you tell us what goes on in the mind when you're actually in that situation? उस स्थिति में क्या होता है, दिमाग में, जहन में क्या-क्या चल रहा होता है?
Thank you so much for inviting me here. Thank you so much for Amazon Prime, and I will share my 2 incidences. One is during the COVID and one is recently which has happened in Sion Hospital. These moments are very touchy moments and you can never forget them. It was last year when the corona pandemic has created so much of fear in the minds of people. A lady who was following up with a gynecologist, a very reputed gynecologist in Bandra, a rich lady, delivered her child at the end of 9 months in a corporate hospital, in a very elite class family, coming from very elite class family. And as a routine, when the child was delivered in the morning at about 11 o'clock, after admission they used to send a report of swab for the corona. And mind you, by 12 o'clock the report came in the morning as corona positive. The husband and the relatives who were sitting with her, with the child, left quickly. The hospital packed her in 108 ambulance at about 1 o'clock. And the ambulance went on going to 9 hospitals asking for a bed, that give us a bed for a just delivered woman and a child who is few hours old. And I'll tell you that 8 hospitals refused. And incidentally, that time I was for some emergency in Nair, I was working as the Dean of Nair Hospital. And in 9th hospital, the ambulance came and the driver got fed up. He said, "You are not getting accepted anywhere. I am not going to wait now whether Nair tells me yes or no." The child who was few hours old and a mother who delivered a child coming from elite family, delivered in a very big corporate hospital, was dropped in front of Nair gate. And the Nair doctors told me that this is the scenario. We immediately admitted her and we created a Nair maternity meant for COVID, which delivered the highest number of babies in the country. This is something which is touchy, what was the scenario in COVID. And what happens to a poor when there is no medical facility available? A child of 4-year-old, for some want of family dispute in Bhiwandi, was stabbed. All his intestines were popping out. They went to Indira Gandhi Hospital, Bhiwandi. They said, we don't have such facility. Spent there for an hour or so. Came to Kalwa Hospital. They said, this is not possible to treat here. They went to Rajawadi Hospital. And then with that, seeing the whole thing, child, where all intestines are popping out, the liver is coming out. And that child lands up at 11:30 in Sion Hospital in trauma ward. And incidentally, I am there with my colleagues. And mind you, that we treated that child by 6 hours surgery, putting everything back, and the child went home to Bhiwandi after a period of 7 days. That gives immense pleasure. When you are working from heart, you don't think of doing anything. You don't think of worrying. You don't think of rules, regulations, everything. You just work from heart. And when you work from heart, you just don't bother. Sometimes you don't know. When I was working in Seven Hills, I never realized what my family members think about me, that I'm working in a Corona hospital, dreaded place. One day they came to see me because I was told to station there and stay there. One day came to see me that how I'm working and all that from a distance. But this is the fear even in the minds of your own wife, own child. But when they support you, that you go ahead, you have no option. You do the best. Thank you so much.
सर आपके साहस को सलाम। और मेरा सवाल ये भी है कि इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिचुएशंस, उतने सीरियस सिचुएशंस होते हैं, आप हर रोज देखते हैं, उसमें कंपोस्ट कैसे रहते हैं?
It's probably God's gift.
We are glad, sir. We are glad. Thank you. Thank you so much for your contribution. जोरदार तालियां डॉक्टर जोशी के लिए. Thank you. पाटिल सर, आपके कोई डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट्स जिस वाक्य ने आपकी जिंदगी में बदलाव लाया?
First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Guardian Minister Shri Aditya Ji Thackeray, Amazon Prime Videos, the entire team of Mumbai Diaries 2611, my friend Nikhil, to have thought about the contribution of unsung heroes of that fateful night of 2611. I think it is a perfect tribute, the show to the martyrs, to those who gave supreme sacrifice to keep this city safe. Of course, this 2611 had changed my perspectives about life. My paradigm is completely shifted. I am a different person after that incident. That fateful night, 4 terrorists entered into Hotel Taj, 2 from the main gate and 2 from the North Court gate at 9:40 p.m. I was DCP of South Mumbai, and me and my bodyguard Amit Khetle, who suffered 3 bullet injuries at midnight, both entered from the rear gate with Taj security chief Sunil Kudiyadi. At 9:51 p.m., 11th minute after the entry of terrorists, and on the second floor, taking the shelter of the wall of Taj, we could counter fire on the 3 terrorists gathered on Royal Staircase opposite Crystal Hall. In that Crystal Hall, Amit waits Varsha, the wedding was in process. So we fired 3 shots on those terrorists, injuring one of them, which made them to retreat. For this firing, our team was awarded with President's Police Medal for gallantry. That point of time, we were quite aware, confident in fact, that we may die while fighting this odd battle, but life and death both have purposes. And I remember one line from the poem of La Mancha: I will true to that glorious quest when my heart will lie peaceful and calm, laid in my final rest, and the world will be better for this, that one man, scorned and covered with scars, still strove with his last ounce of courage to reach that unreachable star. That was trying time. We pinned down 4 terror
with us, and thank you so much for your contribution. Thank you so much, sir. आणि मी पण एका म्हणजे वडील फॉर्मर पोलीस ऑफिसर आहेत, तर मला माहिती आहे की येस आय एम द फॅमिली, म्हणून मला ते माहिती आहे की किती ते कष्ट असतं आणि ते एवढं सोपं नसतं. आणि तुम्ही जे काय करता त्यासाठी खूप खूप धन्यवाद. थँक्यू सो मच, सर. मोहित, अगला सवाल आपसे है कि एज मेंबर्स ऑफ द फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री, people always look up to you for a sense of assurance and a source of inspiration. So how do you navigate through such situations where even for you everything has changed?
No, sir, thank you. I have it. Thank you. I think I was very lucky. Since I was a kid, my father was a doctor, and he was I come from Jammu and Kashmir. So he was posted in the outskirts in the villages of Kashmir. So at the end of the day when he would come back, there was every night there was a single knock or more on the door because there was an emergency and he had to go back to see someone or the other. And he was always eager and ready at the end of the day also to go and meet the patients and help them. And whenever he would come back, I was fortunate enough to understand from his body language whether he was able to save the patient or he was able to help the patient in the best capacity. So I guess I was fortunate enough that inspiration of frontline workers I was able to see from day one, and that has been proudly showcased in the series as well, which I'm very fortunate enough to be a part of, thanks to Mr. Nikhil Advani.
Thank you so much. And so many underlying emotions that people are not aware of will be, showcased through these series, and wishing you all the best. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Because 26/11 is a day that, put all of us through rigorous tests. This day changed and impacted several lives. Similarly, we see how the pandemic has shaken the world. We can never fathom what people and the frontline workers went through. So many emotions all together at one place. How did you manage to bring this live on screen?
Well, it's pretty simple actually. You just have to listen. Fact is stranger than fiction. Also, we've heard that all the time. The advantage that I have with all the stuff that I actually gravitate towards to try and tell on screen is the real life stories. I'm very fortunate that I'm being allowed to do that, thanks to Amazon Prime Video and thanks to the people that I work with. You just have to keep listening because you'll be amazed with just look at the stories that these 3 wonderful gentlemen, incredible people have just told us. There's a film in all of that. Right, there's a story in all of that. So I think that I'm very fortunate that I can actually listen to their stories and try and put it on screen.
Thank you so much, and all the best. And we're looking forward to it. And as the session rightly said, life changes in a heartbeat, and they've told us such incidents that have actually touched our hearts and made us rethink and go down that memory lane. We can only see it through your voice and feel it through your voice. And thank you so much once again is khas session ke liye, and request all of you to please be on stage. And may I now invite Aparna Purohit, once again head of originals at Amazon Prime Video, to please join us on stage to thank all our guests with a floral bouquet. Life changed in a heartbeat, and how? वो कहते हैं कि हम सब मानते हैं. नमस्कार, कशा आहात तुम्ही? खूप सुंदर दिसताय तुम्ही. कहते हैं म्यूजिक is a powerful healer, and I'm sure all of you agree to that, right? Yes or no? The music is a powerful healer. जो जख्म वक्त भी नहीं भर सकता, उसे संगीत भर देता है. तो बिना वक्त जाया किए मैं स्टेज पर इनवाइट करना चाहता हूं one of India's finest musical artists जो परफॉर्म करेंगे Amazon ओरिजिनल मुंबई डायरीज 2611 का एक एक्सक्लूसिव ट्रैक तू दफन भी है। ये स्पेशल परफॉर्मेंस डेडिकेटेड है फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स के नाम। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर एंड वेलकम अल्तमश फरीदी।
दो लाइनें मैं गाना चाहता हूँ, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग। ये हैंड्स फ्री स्टॉप। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
अल्तमश बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच। मैं कहना चाहूंगा दिल को छू लेने वाली आवाज। थैंक यू सो मच अल्तमश की इतना बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस दिया आपने, थैंक यू। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अब वक्त आ गया है आज के इवेंट का एक बहुत ही स्पेशल सेगमेंट है। पिछले साल जब कोविड पैंडेमिक ने पूरी दुनिया में आतंक मचा दिया था, तब हम एक ऐसे दुश्मन से लड़ रहे थे जिसके लिए हम तैयार नहीं थे। लाइक द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, मुंबई पर भी अचानक से ब्रेक्स लग गए थे। हमारे अथॉरिटीज और हमारे फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स ने इस क्राइसिस से लड़ते हुए हमें सुरक्षित रखने की पूरी कोशिश की और हर संभव कदम उठाया है। इस जंग में सबसे आगे खड़े थे। बिफोर वी कॉल देम ऑन स्टेज, लेट्स टेक अ क्लोज लुक एट हु दे आर। कैन वी हैव द ऑडियो विजुअल प्लीज?
मुंबई, इस शहर पर जब भी कोई खतरा आया, तब असली जाबाज हमेशा सामने आए। हर जाने अनजाने डर के खिलाफ वो डटे रहे। खुद की जिंदगी की परवाह नहीं, बस हर वक्त सुरक्षित रहे सभी। दिन रात इन्होंने कर दिया एक, मुश्किलें, बाधाएं, चुनौतियां अनेक। ऐसे योद्धाओं को सलाम, ऐसे शूरवीरों को सलाम, ऐसे साहस को सलाम।
इनके साहस को सलाम। और जो भी कहें, जितना भी कहें, शब्द हमेशा कम ही पड़ेंगे। पर हां, हमारे फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स फिर से एक बार साहस को सलाम। और इन्हें सलाम करने के लिए मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, टूरिज्म एंड प्रोटोकॉल, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, श्री आदित्य ठाकरे जी। नमस्कार आणि तुमचं मनपूर्वक स्वागत। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड मे आई प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट द माइक।
हम एक साथ आएंगे। ऑफ कोर्स जब मैंने देखा जो प्रोग्राम है, पढ़ा जो क्या करने वाले हैं, तो मैंने तो कहा चलो ये करते ही है, लेकिन कैसे करेंगे? हमारे सारे लोग अभी भी डटे हुए हैं, अभी भी जंग लड़ रहे हैं। कोविड तो गया नहीं, इसलिए मेरा मास्क भी अभी तक मुंह पे ही है। लेकिन ये सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो हमें एहसास नहीं दिलाते कि हम किससे डट रहे हैं, किससे लड़ रहे हैं, किससे जंग में है। अगर आप जो तीनों लोग ऊपर थे, उनके साथ जो उनकी पूरी टीमें काम कर रही है, वो देखिए, तो सच्ची साहस को सलाम करना क्या होता है, ये हमें वो सिखाते हैं। क्योंकि साहस ये कोई पागलपन नहीं होता है। हमें बहुत बार लगता है कि एक जोश में आके कुछ हम कर बैठे तो साहस होता है, लेकिन इस साहस में बहुत सोच होती है, एक अपनापन होता है, एक प्यार होता है, एक लगाव होता है, और उस मिट्टी से लगा होता है, इस लोगों से लगा होता है। और हर दिन ये जब काम पे जाते हैं, हर रात जब लौटते हैं, वापस लौट के फ़ोन बंद करके सोते नहीं, उनको यही पता होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा होगा और हमें वापस जाना पड़ेगा, पता नहीं हम कब आएंगे या नहीं। लेकिन जो इनमें विश्वास लोगों का है, इस मुंबई की मिट्टी का जो विश्वास हमारी राज्य के सारे यंत्रणाओं पे है, फिर वो पुलिस हो, फायर ब्रिगेड हो, बीएमसी हो, हर एक रेवेन्यू सिस्टम हो, जो विश्वास है कि कुछ भी हो, जिसे हम मुंबई में भी कहते हैं कि द स्पिरिट ऑफ मुंबई। व्हाट इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ मुंबई? द स्पिरिट ऑफ मुंबई इज टू नो दैट एवरी सिंगल डे there are certain uncertainties that we face, but yet we go on. And how do we go on? That is because we repose some faith and trust in these frontline warriors. I think वो साहस है, उसी को हम आज सलाम करने यहाँ आए हैं। ये प्यार, ये विश्वास, ये जो साहस की बातें हैं, कितनी सारी ऐसी स्टोरीज है। ये तो हमारे 3 जो हीरोज़ आज स्टेज पे आपने देखे, उनकी बातें सुनी, और इन्होंने मुझे नहीं लगता आधा % भी कहा है जो वो फेस करते रहेंगे। क्योंकि हम जब बहुत सारी चुनौती से देखते रहते हैं कभी कभी, और आजकल तो कोविड है, क्लाइमेट चेंज है, और अन्य सिक्योरिटी रिस्क भी होती है। कभी कहीं बिल्डिंग अगर गिर जाए, कहीं आग लग जाए, तो हम जब साइड पे जाते हैं, हम एक सिंबल होते हैं, हम पॉलिटिशियंस काफ़ी बार सिंबल होते हैं, हमें जाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि एक लोगों को दिखाना है कि हम साथ में हैं। लेकिन जो असल में काम करते हैं वो ये सारे फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर्स हैं, इनको हम सलाम करने के लिए जाते हैं वहाँ। जहांगीर साहब आज स्टेज पे थे, फायर ब्रिगेड के। कई बार ऐसी घटनाएं घटी है कि रात को कहीं आग लगी है, मैं जाता हूँ वहाँ और वो कहते हैं आदित्य जी आप थोड़ा दूर रहिए, हम संभाल रहे हैं। ये हम संभाल रहे हैं, हम सारे लोग जो सिटीजन्स होते हैं, जो अन्य नागरिक होते हैं, हम कभी कभी ऐसे होते हैं, और वो होना भी चाहिए कि अगर कोई डिजास्टर हो, कोई आपत्ति आए, कोई घटना घटे, तो हम वहाँ से दूर चले जाते हैं। ये लोग उसी की तरफ भागते हैं, आग की तरफ भागते हैं, गोलियों की तरफ भागते हैं। इनको आज सलाम करने के लिए हम आए हैं। पुलिस की अगर बात कहें तो इस खाकी वर्दी को सलाम कितना करे, कैसे करे, मुझे पता नहीं, क्योंकि जो भी चुनौतियाँ इन्होंने देखी है और अन्य राज्यों में देखी है, हमारे देश में देखी है, ये खास बात होती है, अलग सी बात होती है। इन पे भी जो विश्वास पूरा बना हुआ है वो अलग सा है। शायद हमें ऐसा लगता हो कि कभी कभी जब टेररिस्ट अटैक करते हैं या कुछ डकैती होती है तब इनका काम बढ़ जाता है, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं होता है। ये जब बंदोबस्त पे रहते हैं तभी भी इनको पता नहीं होता कि गोली कहाँ से आएगी या नहीं, बम कहाँ है। ये जो हिम्मत है, ये साहस है, ये विश्वास हमें जो दिलाते हैं, वो उनको आज सलाम करने के लिए हमने बुलाया। आपका शुक्रगुजार है हम। डॉक्टर्स की बात कहें तो ऐसे काफ़ी बार कहा जाता है कि डॉक्टर्स सचमुच भगवान होते हैं, क्योंकि हमारी वो ज़िंदगी बचाते हैं, पुनर्जीवित करते हैं हमें। लेकिन क्या आप सोच सकते हैं कि हम कोविड में आज भी डरे हुए हैं, आज भी हम सब लोग, और रहना भी पड़ता है, रहना ज़रूरी है, वो डर थोड़ा ज़रूरी होता है कि कोविड से बच के रहे, कोविड से डर के रहे, वैक्सीनेट करे, मास्क पहन के रहे। लेकिन ये सारे लोग, क्या आप उस पहले डॉक्टर की सोच सकते हो जो पुणे में हमें पहली बार केस मिली थी 9 या 10 मार्च को? पता भी नहीं था कि हमें प्रोटोकॉल्स क्या अपनाने हैं, मास्क लगाना या नहीं लगाना है, ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत होगी या नहीं। लेकिन उस डॉक्टर ने जिस पहली कोविड केस को ट्रीट किया होगा, उसका साहस कितना होगा पता भी नहीं, लेकिन उसे हम सलाम करने आए आज। ये सारी कथाओं को लेके, कथा नहीं, ये जो सत्य है उसे लेके आज का दिन हम मना तो नहीं सकते, लेकिन इनको साहस के सलाम करने के लिए आए हैं। मुंबई 2611 स्टोरीज, अमेजॉन प्राइम और यहाँ बैठे हुए अमेजिंग प्राइम को सलाम करते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, वंदे मातरम।
खूब खूब आभार सर। आणि एज यू इतनी खूबसूरती से और इम्पैक्टफुली इन्होंने साहस को एक्सप्लेन किया है, उसके लिए शुक्रिया। टू प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज फॉर द नेशनल एंथम। मेरी रिक्वेस्ट वहां पे खड़े हो जाए, क्योंकि नेशनल एंथम के लिए रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबॉडी टू प्लीज राइज वेयरएवर यू आर फॉर द नेशनल एंथम।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध